Hi, Ashley. What are you doing here?
Recording the kittens.
Good. Ashley, what do you do for MAARC?
So I'm the cat foster coordinator. I help out in the facility. I clean cats. I run errands.
What are we doing here tonight?
So tonight we are having Drag Queen Bingo, raising funds and awareness for the organization, and of course that means animal welfare.
Okay, and who do we have here?
So these little angels are Claire and Ruby in back.
Okay, and
Their
then
mother Rowena.
Okay.
Their brothers Sam and Dean.
And who
the
is
most handsome Mr. Muffin, aka Stud Muffin. The handsome 15-year-old male cat who has the best personality.
Hello, Mr. Stud Muffin.
He's a handsome boy. Hi.
Let's keep our fingers crossed for adoption, okay?
Oh, yeah.
And here we go. Let's look at the crowd. Here we are. The bird in the book. Yay! And I just made everybody sick.